Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to watch Crunchyroll. But first you will have to go to crunchyroll.com, click on Start Free Trial. Now you will have to pick your premium, so pick monthly or yearly. Make sure that you pick yearly because you will save 16%. And here choose a package if you want the fan package or a mega fan package. So choose whichever you like. As you can see, any of these has a 7-day free trial. So you can start with that, let's say. So click on that. Now you can reject all non-essential and here you will type your email address and then simply type your password right here. Once you've done that, click on create account. Now simply choose how do you want to pay. So you have the option to pay with PayPal or credit or debit card. So I will choose that. And here you insert your card number, expiration date, security code, and country and postal code. Okay, once you entered all the details, just click on finish checkout. And as you can see, your transaction is processing, so do not refresh or exit the page. As you can see, you powered up to Crunchyroll fan, so you can click on take me home, and easy as that, you can now watch Crunchyroll. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.